Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Trade Achievers. In this video, we are going to look about the preview and review of the market. Market has closed today. Let's see how the market is going to perform in the coming days.
Alright guys, good evening. So as we usually start, we'll start with Nifty 50. If you take a look at Nifty 50, yesterday the market has fallen around 0.67%. Now the market has recovered around 0.65%. So the market, whatever the percentage the market fall, it has recovered today. So Nifty, we can say it is in a sideways market now. The market may stagnate in this level for some time. We can expect the market to stagnate in this level. But if the market breaks above this level, which is around 15,798, 15,800, if the market breaks and closes above this level, we can go for a buy in Nifty 50. As we usually say, Nifty 50 is an ultimate uptrend. We can expect the market to go further up. So wait for some time. After the market has given you the confirmation, the breakout, go for buy in Nifty 50, and the level of breakout will be 15,798, 15,800. So wait for that level. After the market closes, go for buy in Nifty 50. And for Bank Nifty, if you take a look at Bank Nifty, so if we go to 1 hour time frame, you can see clearly here forming a trend line. The market has formed a trend line for many days. You can see here the market has formed the trend line for many days. It was traveling in that level for around 2 to 3 days. So if the market breaks this trend line, Bank Nifty, if the market Bank Nifty breaks this trend line, we can expect the market to go further up. So after the market has given you the breakout, go for buy in Bank Nifty. So wait for the breakout in Bank Nifty. If the market closes above this level, this trend line level, you can go for a buy in Bank Nifty as well. And for gold, if you take a look at gold, gold is also in a consolidation level here. No, it is traveling in a sideways market. We can expect the market to come down and go up. It may stay around this level. The gold is also in a indecision movement. So let's wait and watch how the market is going to perform. If the market breaks above the previous high, we can go for buy. If the market breaks this low of the box, we can go for sell. So let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. Let's be patient for the gold is in indecision moment. Wait for some time. If the market gives the confirmation, don't worry. We'll inform you in our preview and review show. So alright guys, this is our preview and review for today. Thank you.
Alright guys, these are the patterns which is formed in the market. Let's wait and see how the market is going to perform. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.